just got back from the club.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Life of Oz. My mom. What the f*** are you doing?
Waiting for you.
Why you guys at my house?
What? Your house? Wait, is it my house? What? The fuck?
He went off-roading. What happened?
I lost control.
You lost control?
Yeah.
What happened?
Kind of hit my ankle there a little bit.
Oh man, let's go.
Good though.
A few moments later.
Really? This close, bro. I was circling.
Like 10 minutes into it.
Look at that, bro. He fell once. This
No,
is the second.
This is the second fall.
Two
This
times.
is the second fall.
Literally,
Are you okay,
like-
Elise?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
Still walking.
Dude, you're.
Oh, doesn't hurt though?
I can't believe you fell though.
I can't believe.
What was running through your mind that time? The
I
second
want to go
time.
fast, you know? So
Yeah.
I go fast and I eat shit.
When you fell the first time, I got that, you know. Second time, I don't know how the fuck you fell. Second time,
Bro, I just saw a man go Superman into the
the first one was
Oh, the bird scooters.
bro. The first one you went on the fucking ground, like rocks.
I thought you were okay. Like the first one, I was
First
like,
one's nothing. This one's not good.
yeah, but the second one, now you're bleeding, so it's a different story.
For the vlog.
Bro, that's nasty.
Make that the caption of the video.
This man drinks his own blood. Take a little selfie. The sun was perfect for today. You know, we out here.
5 minutes.
But yeah, we did some fun stuff today. We had some food. Hey, are you recording me while I'm vlogging?
Yeah, bro.
Why you gotta do this? How you doing, dude?
Just came to go ride some scooters, but you guys finished early.
Yeah, we didn't finish early like how you normally do with girls.
Yeah, what? Wait, what?
We finished early. Like what you do to girls. Oh, buzzing. Oh, he's driving into the tree. Your car smells really weird, bro.
What are you talking about?
Hey, if I'm being honest, bro, kind of smells like hot dog in here.
What's up, dog?
Not much, dog. What's up with you?
Why are you speeding, bro? What's his purse? You couldn't get the Gucci one? What? You couldn't get a Gucci purse?
I didn't wear it.
He didn't wear it. Are you calling 911? Because this is a fashion crisis. The police showed up. The police have showed up. We are good. They're gonna fix your fashion. This lady's walking her jack. You see everything these days at Dutch Bros, huh, son? No. Hey, man. You don't have to throw chairs around.
Cats win! My daily quote is.
And enough time for Layla to do. And we're back at my house. We're just relaxing and calling it a night. Let's see if the guys have anything to say to you guys.
Nothing.
Wow.
Okay. Subscribe, like, pow, and the kisser. Hey, what's up? Oh! What's that for?